Xmas. Hello, this is Christmas Day, very early in the morning. I just want to trade for 27%. So I want to show you how it's important. You can be making 27% every day. That's the trade. That's one single trade. 20%. That's $2. So that same way you can be trading and making good profits. Just one trade gone. So okay, let me make this $60. I have to pause, wait for a pullback, and be able to enter the trade again. So I'll be right back. Okay, I've had another entry, and before I even open it, the trade has pulled through. That's because the signal is so strong and is very early period of the signal. Anybody can do this, even on Christmas Day. Maybe you don't know. Check the time, check the date. Today is 25th of December. So anybody can do this. I've always been saying, and I repeat, you can do this. Imagine that will be 50%. That's like $5. Anybody can always do this. Slow, steady, small, you get to where you're going. But the major challenge is everybody is in a rush. They want to hammer fast. This is a real account, so you're not dulling it. God bless you and have a wonderful Christmas.